Easy go. But people say it's legit. I watched a few videos and I saw how to get money off this. So guys, yeah, I think you guys should do it. But anyways, yeah, let me show you a few stuff. You could watch ads up here. It gives you like 500, and you can spin wheels. But I have 0. So, and you can also invite friends. You could do points for surveys. What's this? It says games. Let's check that out. There's one called game. Okay, never mind. It doesn't give you points for playing games. I thought it does. But anyways, let me exit out. So, as you guys can see, I got this much points and it's worth that. And yeah. Ooh. Okay guys, yeah. Please use my links in description. Please. Because guys, I want more friends. Oh, it's glitched. Yeah, I want more friends. Look, see? It's just me. So guys, yeah. But anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys like and subscribe, and yeah. Let me just read this quick article. 8 seconds for 50 points. Okay. 4, 3, 2, 1. And it says scroll down. And I scroll down. Let's see if it's gonna work. 3, 2, 1. Okay, there we go. It was a bit delayed. But anyways, guys, make sure you guys like and subscribe. And make sure you guys also try out this app. Because, like, so far, it's looking pretty good and pretty easy. But anyways, peace.